Okay, some more plants for sale. Over here is two Plinia ariana. These are white jaboticaba. These seeds were, I got them in Florida in summer of 2021. So these are 2 years old. Got a couple of vexators, which is a blue jaboticaba, or also known as a false jaboticaba. They were from seeds I got in Florida as well, and I got to sample the fruit. Very tasty. Very tasty fruit. I have some Eugenias. This is a rare Eugenia. This is a Eugenia victoriana. Over here is a couple of Eugenia floridas. Also a very uncommon Eugenia. A couple more common Eugenia. This is a Patanga tuba, Eugenia neontida, I think you call that. This is a miracle fruit. I also got seeds for this in Florida a couple years ago. This is right about 2 years old. It's interesting, the other two seeds that I grew, one of them's been flowering for 6 months. Hasn't set a fruit yet, but comes from good genetics, I think. This is a curry leaf tree. Does make a fruit. Grows fast. Leaves smell great. People use it for cooking. These are canistels, also from Florida, also known as an egg fruit. Over here I have some CZGM Kumini, also known as Java Plum or Jamun. So we got 3 of them that are a little on the smaller size, and a really big one with a big trunk. Definitely needs to get moved up. It's probably close to 3 feet tall. Over here I have, these are Annona reticulata. The variety is San Pablo. Grew these from fruit I got 2 years ago. Actually, I take it back. It was 1 year ago. They grow pretty well. In a year's time, they should be at least twice that tall. They need to go up in a pot size. These are Rolinias. I got these from seeds from some fruit I got to sample in Florida. One of the fruit was close to 4 pounds. Quite a delicious fruit. Tastes kind of like lemon meringue pie. Pretty nice. Over here I have a couple of grafted loquats. This one I grafted a year ago. It's a Novak onto a seedling. And this one I grafted several months ago. This is a Sherry. I have some guavas over here. This one is called a Nana dwarf guava. Believe it or not, this is 2 or 3 years old. They weren't kidding when they said dwarf. They grow quite slow. Over here, these are pear guavas. This one was called Egyptian pear guava by the seller. I really don't know if they come from Egypt. This one is called Aratzapera, which is Spanish for pear guava. That one came from Argentina. They could be the exact same species, or they could be different. The leaves, looking at it a little closely, leaves look very similar, but maybe a little different. This is a grafted citrus. This is back when I was practicing a couple years ago, grafting citrus. This is a Caracara navel orange on Mineola, which is a Tangelo. I grew the Tangelo seed, grafted a cutting from my Caracara orange, and it's flowering. It smells very good. Nice new foliage coming out. This one is Draconto Melendao. This was some seeds I got from Borneo. This is an extra one. It's also known as New Guinea walnut. Makes an edible fruit. Supposedly good to eat. Never tried it. Never seen the fruit. But it's interesting. This is sea grape. These seeds I got from the Fruit and Spice Park in South Florida. Has kind of these really pretty round leaves. This one back here is a little bigger. One more look. Thanks for watching.